Hello friends, GUVI is really a good online platform where one can learn the tools and skills of data science. I was from non-tech background. I didn't have any coding skills, whereas with the help of GUVI, there's a platform called as Code Kata platform where you can go with the coding, and I have learned the skills from that, and because of that I'm able to do the codings and have improved my coding skills as well. And the management of the GUVI team is really the best because they will help you in each and every moment whenever you require them. And there is doubt clarification sessions as well, like wherein if you find any difficulties, you can go about it and you can ask your doubts in the doubt clarification session. That has helped me a lot to overcome the obstacles during the coding, and I thank the team for helping me and making my dream come true. Thank you.